Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am taking you to Sutra Gastropub situated at Gardens Galleria Mall, Sector 38, Noida. One rarely come across such places that pay attention to every little aspect of detailing, be it their alluring ambience, lip-smacking food and unique presentation. Everything here is top-notch. The place looks lovely and very spacious, spread over two floors, one super comfy indoor area and one beautiful outdoor terrace which you can enjoy in summer evenings. The inside decor is flamboyant and classy with the beautiful bar in the center. This place not only serves good food but great drinks too. There wasn't any single dish that I liked less, and some of them hit you with nostalgic feelings as they are made live on your table like an artwork. They have a beautiful curated menu which is quite innovative in itself, with all the pics depicting the presentation of their food. Now about our culinary experience, everything we tried here was lip smacking, enticing and beautifully presented. We started our food experience with kurkure roti globe with elderflower mocktail and mushroom galote kebab with lavender fish. We also tried their signature dish tomato dehydrated onion kulchas and mini dosas. Their chef culinary skills showcased how a simple dish can be made into a gourmet delight. In mains, we tried their stir fry combo, which were basically Asian veggies with sushi rice served in a bowl. Now is the time for their famous signature live on table desserts, created on a canvas in front of us by the chef himself. It was made with various chocolate sauces, syrups, chocolate and cocoa powder, white and dark chocolates, and edible flowers. The price of this dessert is about 985 rupees and it is the shape of chocolate earth. It is the beauty of nature and its destruction defined with chocolate tree, assorted mousse and different types of ice cream.
Break. Chocolate soil. Chocolate sponge soil.
As you can see, this one is their signature dessert, Beauty of Nature and Its Destruction, which was created on a canvas with green colored choco ball filled with ice cream representing earth, dark chocolate and white chocolate pine trees filled with assorted mousse and brownie, edible flowers, chocolate powder as mud soil and so many syrups.
Chocolate sauce.
It looks like a canvas painting which was so unique and innovative. Kudos to the chef. Chef is pouring hot chocolate for its destruction.
White chocolate sauce.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Now is the time for our second live on table dessert, nitrogenated live destruction. The price of this dessert is also 985 rupees plus taxes. In frame now is nitrogenated live destruction dessert made with combination of Indian delicacies such as nitrogenated gajar halwa, ice creams, jalebi syrup and chocolates, a totally eye candy and playground made on a canvas live on our table. Beautiful to look and heavenly to taste, and a perfect end to our evening. Kudos to the chef for such commendable desserts. He is adding some edible flowers over it.
This is edible flower, isn't it?
Thanks. Our food journey ends here and it's time to exit now. I recommend everyone to try Sutra Gastropub Noida for sure and experience these magical feelings. Overall, a mesmerizing experience. If you liked my video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. We will meet soon with more amazing videos.